I've been trying to figure out how to clean a bathtub the best way possible. I've tried lots of things. I've tried bleach, I've tried Simple Green, I tried Clorox, and then I decided to watch YouTube. The one thing I noticed that every single one of them had in common was the fact that they used baking soda. Some used baking soda with vinegar, some used it with other things. Some people went through the hard and tedious processes of boiling water, throwing it on the baking soda after throwing a towel over the baking soda. And then they would use vinegar and they would scrub it all down. No need to do all that because I've got a simpler way. Let's see. All right. This is actually take 2. I messed up and didn't show you the first round. Baking soda. That's all this is. Arm and hand. I'm gonna take, my bathtub is already wet. I'm gonna break it up. Sprinkle it over this worst area here. All I'm gonna do is take and scrub it. Absolutely no chemicals, no odors, and not everybody's going to have as large of a bag of baking soda as I happen to have. All right, then rinse the water. And look at all the dirt run down the drain. Quit making it hard on yourselves. Just use baking soda.